Hello, in this video I'm gonna tell you if MacBook Air 2025 can run games. So Apple has been recently working on improving the gaming performance on their devices. Some of the features are way improved, though it's not a gaming laptop. Macs have never been gaming devices because most of games are built mainly for Windows, and even if there are some for Mac, it's not as optimized as in Windows. So it's just because not many people using Macs do play games on them. They usually get another device that's more powerful and more built for games. This Mac isn't built for being powerful. I mean, it's powerful enough for different tasks, but isn't built for games, so it's not gonna be the best. But it for sure will run some games. I'm playing Stardew Valley or The Sims 4 with no problems at all. But if you want to play some Cyberpunk or something harder, it's not gonna be too good. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.